I haven't mentioned. What I said
Your
was
party leader
that
Kalyan
they
Banerjee
were
says the BJP leaders were drunk. There was a BJP MP who was drunk.
You talked to him about that? You talked to him about that?
No, so I
have told you what I have seen.
No, so one second.
I have told you what I have seen.
Can you name who the MPs are? Why haven't you gone on record against even one of those MPs? You have had time to establish the identities of those MPs. Can you confirm who they were?
I don't know their names. We have seen them for the first time, and when you know they have come in a big number, and they are coming on they are sitting on the side of the ruling party.
So what you're saying is,
we were standing in front of the Honorable Speaker, and suddenly they come running.
Even if I want to believe you, I must ask you that in the absence of any real names, any real identities, the accusation against you is that you are deliberately trying to disrupt proceedings because your demands in the railway budget were not met. You are trying to create a spectacle.
The House was already adjourned. When we came out, when we ran out, the House had already been adjourned. Let me be very specific. We were raising slogans.
You disrupted proceedings in the House which led to the House being adjourned.
Because it is an anti-people, anti-Bengal rail budget.
Yeah, so talk about the budget. Why do this? No, 1 minute. So talk about the budget. Why create this situation where 6 anonymous members of parliament are trying to beat you up? And tell me one more thing. Tell me one more. There are a lot of people inside parliament. How is it that only Trinamool Congress leaders saw this entire incident happen? Not one person comes and says, we saw BJP MPs beating up Trinamool MPs.
You let me talk. See, if their party is trying to hide something, I am not to blame. Why don't you recall the Lok Sabha proceedings between 3 and 4 p.m. today? Because it must have been recorded unless somebody has removed it. And we were standing on the right side of
but where is the beating up? No, where is the beating up happening? Where is the drunk MP?
I said they came to beat.
What do you mean came to beat? Now you are again changing your position. You said came to beat. Some time back, you know the hysterical situation.
They came towards us.
And you got... Watch it. They came...
Oh,
1 second. Miss Dastidar, what do you say? Miss Dastidar.
Arnab, let me tell you one thing.
Let me ask you.
Inside the House, inside the House, democracy,
yes.
There is no chance. There is absolutely no chance
1 minute.
of somebody raising
Miss Dastidar
to beat.
Miss Dastidar,
and he cannot say
Miss Dastidar,
You should be ashamed that you are even taking their side.
Who said?
And I'm going to leave your channel just now because you think I'm going to stand there to be beaten and to be disrobed.
1 minute.
If somebody comes towards me saying,
name the person. Who said
then
this?
you think this is an acceptable situation.
Who is the person who said it?
Today is a black day for democracy.
Who is the person who said it?
Today is a black day for the women of India.
No, but who said it?
Today you should condemn it instead of tying up with them. Why are you saying that
Miss
I will stand there for him to disrobe
Miss Dastidar, please understand this. Question is very simple. I am only asking you who is the MP? Who is the MP who said it?
I don't know. I can show you. He was sitting in the front bench. He was wearing a green kurta. He had on a ochre color vest coat. He's quite old with disheveled hair, red eyes, bulging eyes. He came with both his fists. He had on glasses also. With him there was another tall gentleman with green kurta. I don't know any of their names. There was one other gentleman who was rolling up his sleeves. They were coming with closed fists. You think I'm going to stand there for them to disrobe? All the women MPs, we were standing together. Not only me, Shatabdi was there, Afrin was there, Shonda Rai was there. We were all standing together.
Tell me one thing.
They are coming towards us.
No, they wanted to beat up only the Trinamool MPs.
Condition.
They wanted to beat up.
This is a shameful condition. You should condemn it.
1 second,
one voice. You should condemn it.
Miss Dastidar, please understand this. You have spoken about feeling insecure as a woman inside the parliament. I am not sure if your party takes a hard line against men who belittle and threaten women. What did your party do against Tapas Pal? Because he apologized. My question to you is today. Will you be all right with the situation if the BJP apologizes, he remains an MP and wasn't in parliament despite the appalling comments he made?
BJP has done nothing. If you condemn yesterday's incident, as you've been doing, you should condemn today. Just because somebody else did it, I'm going to do it.
Miss Dastidar, I completely condemn. I completely listen to me. I completely condemn if anybody has used this language or spoken like this.
About the women
I completely condemn the language which has been used, but I have every right to ask you that why, you know, I understand your anger on this incident, but there was no anger on Tapas Pal. At that time, Mamata Banerjee said, what do you want us to do? You want us to kill him?
Don't you think inside the house, a member who has been elected by the people have a right to express their view democratically by just talking or raising slogans? We have our right. Our priority lies with the people. Our responsibility is the people who elected.
Ma'am, let me tell you.
That is what we were doing. But don't you condemn that with closed fists they are coming to be?
Yes, I condemn it. I condemn it. I condemn it as much as I condemn it.
They should say sorry.
I condemn it. Listen, Miss Dastidar.
They can say sorry.
Miss Dastidar, I condemn it as much as I condemn the way in which the Trinamool MLAs and leaders beat up CPIM MLA Gaurango Chattopadhyay, injured in the assembly and taken to hospital in the end of 2012. Right? I condemn the way in which your party at that point of time beat up an MLA and sent him to hospital. I condemn it as much as I condemn, and I condemn, if not more, the Tapas Pal incident. But I am asking you today, it appeared to me...
This is the citadel of democracy.
Miss...
And अच्छा दिन आएगा, तो अच्छा दिन आया, लेकिन औरत को रुलाया, अच्छा दिन आया, गरीब को रुलाया. एक रेल बजट ऐसा पेश किया कि गरीब को अभी रेल के लिए देखना भी नहीं चाहिए, इतना किराया भी बढ़ा दिया. एंड दे हैव नॉट वन मेंशन अबाउट आवर ईस्टर्न स्टेट. पूरे की तरह दिखाई नहीं. ये कैसा रेल बजट हुआ? आप रेल बजट के बारे में बोलिए. हम लोग तो रेल बजट के बारे में बोल रहे थे.
Doesn't she have a belief in the Speaker of the House? Doesn't she have a faith on the Speaker of the House? Where an inquiry is going on, she is orchestrating.
I am really thinking whether I should go back tomorrow.
To oppose the budget session. There's nothing. No, not all. The Trinamool Congress should stop preaching the people of this country. People know what Trinamool Congress is all about. This is classically an attention-seeking behavior.
People know
with all due respect, you are a lady.
That is why they have elected 34 members.
The nation.
People know
it. You don't even know the name of the people
बंगाल के लोग जानते हैं, इसीलिए 34 honorable members को elect करके भेजा है.
People of the world know what TMC is all about. We all know about TMC.
जानेंगे, आपको भी जानेंगे. आज तो हमें पता चला. आज तो हमें पता चला.
We know it. Please, for God's sake, don't preach the world as to what we are.
लोकसभा में भी थे, लेकिन कभी ऐसा हालत नहीं हुआ कि हमको मारने काटने दौड़ा. ये पहले दफे हुआ है.
काकोली जी,
today should be condemned.
Kakoli ji, my only question is, why did you change your stand within few hours? You yourself on Times Now said no one attacked, no scuffle went place, and now you are saying that someone attacked you. Why did you change your stand within 2 hours?
आप कहानी मत बनाइए.
नहीं, you are the story maker.
No, 1 second. No, 1 minute. No, one minute. I'm going to now play out this part. No, Kakoli Ghosh Dasti. You said there was no scuffle, there is no beating up. You said there's absolutely nothing.
मैंने बोला कि ये हाथ they did close fist, they came towards me. Now what are you waiting for? Somebody to disrobe me inside the parliament? This is exactly what I said. We were raising slogans.
Look at the way your member of parliament are running out.
You check my bike. You please check my bike. You please check my bike at 4 o'clock outside the house. The same thing has been said that 7-8 people from the treasury bench came towards us with closed fists. गाली दिया, बुरा भला कहा, कपड़ा उतारने का कहा, गंदा बात कहा. I told the same thing at 4:30. I am saying the same thing now at 8:30. I will say same thing as long as I'm alive. Don't please mistake me with other people. ये बहुत गलत बात है. This is very wrong. You're putting words in my mouth. Don't do it. और ये this is our democratic. This is our democratic Mandir Masjid Girja सब कुछ. Our parliament is a heaven, and it should not be spoiled by some gundas who have come in and they are trying to accost women members. I have behaved properly. I have said honorable members from the treasury bench. I did not badmouth them, but वैसे ही चले आते जब हम नारा लगा रहे Honorable Speaker is there to take care. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs is there to take care. Honorable the other marshals are there to take care. इनको कौन जिम्मेदारी दिया? ये फिस्ट पकड़ के और स्लीव उठा के हमको मारने और काटने दौड़ता है. They should be arrested. The party should be ashamed of them. Instead of getting into the
Kakoli ji,
basic
tell
truth,
me.
you are trying to divert.
Kakoli ji, just tell
I
me
am
one
ashamed
thing.
that
With
you
all
are
the
trying to
security in
divert.
place,
Well, you
why
know,
were your
don't
member
teach
of
me.
Parliament
Sambit,
jumping over the
Sambit,
security guards.
Sambit,
Why were they jumping over the security guards?
Sambit Patra, don't teach parliamentary propriety. Don't teach parliamentary propriety
can jump over the
because
barricades.
I remember
Arnab, you are
BJP
saying the Trinamool
MPs,
Congress member of Parliament
BJP
can jump over the
MPs,
barricades.
BJP
They can jump
MPs,
over.
including
You are saying it is right.
BJP
You are
MPs,
saying it is
including
parliamentary
Fagan Singh
propriety.
Kulaste, waved bundles of cash in Parliament after the trust vote in 2008 over the nuclear deal. And you want to lecture me about parliamentary
Subjudice.
impropriety?
It was fought in the court.
Can you deny that these words
no
were
one is
exchanged?
lecturing you.
Can you
No one
deny
can
these
dare
words were
lecture you,
exchanged?
But I was only saying that falsity should not be propagated by the Trinamool Congress. That is all.
Yeah,
that is
but
the
you
crux
know,
of the statement.
You know,
Just to
even
seek
you,
attention,
no, 1
the
second. Now,
TMC should
Sambit, I'll
not
tell you.
peddle
When
falsities.
a debate about this took place in Parliament, I go back to those pictures by wrap up. Prakash Javadekar, INB minister, he stands
You
up.
told me I should discuss only the
Prakash Javadekar gets up and he asks, let's run those pictures. He asks who is responsible for disrupting the house in the first place, hinting at the TMC. He does not answer if there was scuffle or abuses heard, but he was quick to pin the blame on the TMC for the disruption. As I wrap up today, I ask the BJP, can the BJP deny there was a scuffle? Can the BJP deny there were BJP MPs allegedly in that scuffle? Can the BJP deny that there were
Even
hot
the
words
TMC
exchanged?
said that there was no scuffle.
Well, the BJP MP has
even the
accused the
TMC
TMC
saying
of
that there is
calling
no
Modi a
scuffle.
thief. Was that the provocation for your party MPs to get involved in this kind of a situation? You have called the UPA government a corrupt government in the history of the past. Did that ever result in a physical scuffle between you and the members of the UPA, including the Congress? And if it did not happen then let me tell you now, Sambit Patra, you have a responsibility for the House. You have 282 MPs.
No.
And what happened today, therefore, is
no.
unacceptable. We'll
I
follow this
believe
up
we should
and let
not
the
be
speaker
discussing the
not
drama.
pretend it didn't
The whole
happen. Thank
thing
you
was
very
a
much for joining me
farce.
on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.